Two out of every 7 people in today's world are hooked on to social media. And this is no more a secret. Everyone, everywhere is trying to share every aspect of life with the world. Be it checking into a resort, checking into a city, airport, checking into a cinema, a new country, checking into a friend's house, check-ins, and more check-ins. But here's a simple question. For how many years have you been doing this? Or let's say, what do you get out of all these check-ins? Do you know the exact number of miles you have traveled so far? Or the number of check-ins you have made at your favorite hangout? The exact list of cities, countries and continents traveled? Any date-wise record of your travel history? Or sharing your future travel plans? No? Well, here's how you can have it all. Stop checking in and start explurging. Explurger is the new age app built on artificial intelligence that creates your complete travelogue, and that too without you even knowing about it. All you need to do is explurge into a place, and you will have your complete travelogue with the exact number of miles traveled, cities, countries and continents you have been to, date-wise record of your travel history, and lots more. You can also evolve your level of explurger with the number of miles increasing every day, keeping you ahead of all. So, while the world around you is involved in this check-in rat race, you can evolve to explurging in destinations around. And you will have all this to share with your fellow explurgers as well as other social media platforms through pictures, videos and other mediums. So, what's the wait for? Get on Explurger and start exploring life.